Hey, I'm Brent. You're watching Steam Culture. Very different Steam Culture. Look at our parking lot. Totally empty, and that's a good thing. I hope you and yours are well, staying away from this coronavirus. I was trying to think of something encouraging to post about, and you know me, I love food, so I thought, what's encouraging? Corn. Corn is encouraging, and corn season is just around the corner. And we shot an episode years back on how to shuck corn like a boss with steam. So that's what we're going to watch today. You take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Well, hello there. Welcome to this week's Steam Culture. We are in the dog days of summer. And with summer comes one of my favorite foods, summer corn. Now, everybody loves corn. Well, maybe not that guy. Or I just found out before we shot, our cameraman Tyler does not like corn. Is that true? Yeah, okay. But he's gonna stand beside me while we shoot the corn scene. It's not like he's allergic or anything. Well, here's the deal with corn. Whenever we would have a big old feast of corn at the house, the kids would shuck the corn and they'd act like we were pulling their teeth out one at a time in some sort of, prison camp, because they had to shuck the corn and it was such a hard job. Well, it is a hard job. But I have found on the internet an easy way to do it involving our favorite ingredient, steam. Now let me tell you what's going on with a piece of corn. So when you pull back, the peel, you've got these things that are called silks. And there's moisture in between, you can kind of see if I pull them back, it's a little wet, on my things there. So there's moisture between the silks and the actual corn kernel. So we're gonna use a microwave to steam them. Now what's going to happen is the microwave is going to agitate the water molecules in between the corn and the silks here and the husk, and it's going to break the bonds that the moisture, which is full of starch and stuff, has to separate it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of corn and we're going to cut about an inch above the end, okay? Not how you would use a knife, that's how Brent uses a knife. So I'm going to take this corn and I'm going to put it in the microwave for like 3 minutes. You could probably do it for 4 minutes. 3 minutes. I will see you shortly.
A few moments later.
Voila, freshly steamed corn. What do we have here? Now, it's hot as crap, so you gotta wear your little gloves and take it out, all right? Yeah, it's really hot. I can feel it through these gloves. So what we have now, look at the steam coming off. Nice. So what we basically are gonna do is gonna grab the end and we're gonna squeeze this thing like a tube of toothpaste and kind of push it out, and almost like I'm giving birth here. All right, so I'm gonna pull that out and look at that. Corn, by the way, this is not just shucked now, this is cooked. You can eat this. So I just made your life completely easier there. So there you go, steam used to shuck and cook corn in the microwave. Well, glad you joined me this week. If you didn't know how to do that, you do now because you watch Steam Culture. So go out and Google us. Find us on the web. We got great content for you each and every week, and I will have something for you next week. In the meantime, go eat your corn.